This video is presented to you by Canadian Gundam. $10 flat rate shipping from coast to Canadian coast. Now also shipping to the United States.
Hello, this is Chris and welcome back to your weekly broadcasts. This week in the news, this image was teased at the Tamashii web shop. Can we expect a MetalBuild Crossbone Gundam X1? Probably. Stay tuned. Bandai revealed the box art of the newest limited edition unicorn. The Bandai Dessiné version will be released this Friday and will retail at the suggested price of 43.20 yen. If you are in Tokyo right now, you can grab the Gundam-based Tokyo exclusive HG UC Zeta Gundam, a Marauder Colors version for 23.76 yen. Following the trend created by the release of the Master Grade X and Razor, Bandai is releasing the Master Grade Astray Turn Red as a regular release in North America and China, but as a P Bandai in Japan. This kit will be available in February in Japan and April in North America and China. It will retail for 75.60 yen. The P Bandai HGBF Tall Strike Gundam has been revealed this week. This kit will be released in March 2018 and will retail for 19.44 yen. Finally, to round up the news, we end with another P Bandai from Build Fighters. The HGBF M91 will also be released in March and retail for 19.44 yen. Let's check out the top 5 builds made by the Gunpla network community on Facebook. In 5th place, Gerald A. William and his Landman Rodi. In 4th place, our own Harry Dods and his Char's custom gym. In 3rd place, Peter Brachwitz and his custom strike. In 2nd place, Vyacheslav Kataev and his custom testament. And in first place, Atan, Abenir, and the Marauder. Finally, your network updates. We will release a first look at the perfect grade Exia Lightning model. We reviewed the magnifying Flash MR loop. We will have a first look and a full review of the high grade IBO man Rodi. We released the first episode of the Gunpla network on the road. We visited the first ever Gunpla Expo in Australia. On the Gunpla Network website, we released the text review of the perfect grade Exia Lightning model. That was it for this week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you all next week.